So obviously of late, the last few months, we've just been doing the Jag. All of our track cars in the last few years have been either supercharged, turbocharged, or indeed both. One of the things Uncle Spike, I can tell he's had a bit of a hankering for, is since he pulled the Mark 1 Fiesta apart to, that's got the EcoBoost engine in it now. I think he really misses, throttle bodies, a high revving throttle body noise, especially for track cars. So he's been sort of dribbling on about wants this, wants that, always like 80s, 90s stuff, and often it's always quite expensive. There was talk of a Mark 1 Escort at one point, which is crazy bonkers money to be using as a track car. So just had a little phone call from him, and he's just gone off and bought one. So I'm literally just on my way now to go and see what I know I'm going to be involved with for weekends and evenings and evenings and weekends for the next couple of months, putting together this normally aspirated, high revving little track car. So let's go and see what we've got. Here we are then, we're just turning up at Uncle Spike's. Have a look, see what he's got. For fuck's sake. So we're a bit tight in this, Uncle Spike.
I think it's cosy, mate.
Yeah, it's a bit cosy. My head hits the fucking ceiling already.
It's under the sunroof to get out.
So it works. That's gonna have to go. That's heavy. So this, how much does this weigh?
707 kilos.
707 kilos. And I can always remember Spike wanting these because Harrison had one, didn't he?
Yeah.
And Uncle Spike always wanted one. And obviously, like, you're a throttle body man, really, aren't you? Like, yeah. Novas, when carbs and throttle body, like 16 valve Novas.
Fiesta had throttle bodies.
Then the Fiesta had the throttle bodies. And you miss them, Uncle Spike?
I think I do, Steve.
I think you do. So you basically just messaged me and said, come and have a look at my new car. So I've come down here expecting that you've sold the Focus RS.
No.
No. So how many of these are left?
Taxed 6.
There's 6 of these left taxed. Should we go outside and have a look?
I think we should.
So, Focus RS is still here, Spike.
Yeah. Dirty Diesel's still here.
Dirty Diesel's still here.
Renault thing's still here.
The Renault thing's still here. What have you bought? So that is a Citroen AX. What was it, Forte?
Yeah, something.
Which has got all the GT body kit and all that sort of shaz.
And
interior, got lots of interior bits. The only thing it's got is a shit engine, but even if it was a GT, I'm guessing the engine was going to come out anyway.
For sure.
So, man, it looks really tiny.
39,000 miles from new. With receipts.
There we go. So, basically, time me and Spike get into this thing, we've doubled the weight. So,
yeah.
This is, yeah, go on then, fire it up.
Oh, hang on.
Does it work?
I think so.
Mate, it feels absolutely tiny. Mate, sounds alright to be fair. Oh, beautiful. We'll soon sort that noise out. Well, there you go. So that is Uncle Spike's new car.
Electric windows, and they work.
I bet they're heavy. We can get that down 600 kilos, Spike.
Right. They work.
And what's got all the roll cage is going to be? It's just a box. That's true. We have to lower the seats again. Mate, I can't believe how tiny this feels. There you go. So, yeah, watch this space. We're going to have some fun with this thing. Morning. Morning, Uncle Spike.
Hi.
Uncle Spike was banging on my door this morning. It's a Sunday morning and Uncle Spike's banging on my door because he's a bit of a dickhead. He wants to put his Citroen on the dyno and see exactly what we've lost over the years. So, what should this have, Uncle Spike?
60?
60 horses and the same torque as a Civic Type R?
Yeah, for sure, more probably. Sounds the same.
Yeah. So we're gonna strap this down now and run it up and just see just how much it's lost, so that by the time he puts his little engine in there.
We could put a bungee cord on the back. I think it'd be fine.
Yeah. Should we not strap it down? Should we just put the handbrake on, see if it's all right?
I think one or two things is going to happen.
Yeah, we're going to be in the pub, aren't we?
Spectacularly smoky French piles of bits.
Yeah.
Or 54 horsepower.
Yeah. What do you reckon it's going to make?
54.
54. I'm going to go for 56. Loser's buying the McFlurries, or no? Loser can buy the pasties, Sunday pasty. Right, let's fire this old go up. Right, we're on. Right then. We're in low boost.
I think so. Anti-lag off.
Anti-lag is off. Yeah. Right. Okay. Let's
We turn the fan off. I get some more horsepower.
Yeah, turn the fan on the radio.
Oh yeah.
Oh mate, this is a peach, isn't it? I'm not sure we bolted a dyno to the ground hard enough to warrant this thing. Right. So what do you reckon?
54.
I'm going to go 60. Looks good. Right. All of it. Here we go. Scaled a bit wrong. Oh, keyboard. Scale that up. Oh, she's a honey, isn't she? You're a bit down, Uncle Spike.
Yeah, look, some heat soaking in the cooler.
Is the water meth on? Oh mate, oh!
That's not too bad.
Oh, 700 kilos. It's alright, isn't it?
51.7.
It's a bit down, isn't it? Was it meant to be 60?
I think so. I don't know. I can Google it.
Yeah. Do some googling. See what it was meant to be. I'll do another run in the meanwhile. Mate, this is epic, isn't it?
It's pretty uneventful.
It is pretty uneventful.
Yeah, 60 horsepower.
Another 0.3.
I'm only 2 horsepower off now.
Yeah.
Go again.
Oh mate, that's alright.
Yeah.
Don't matter anyway, does it? It's coming out.
I didn't blow up. That's a bonus.
This is without a doubt the lowest powered four-wheel drive, like four-wheel vehicle we've had on here. We've done bikes less, but that is the lowest one. That's even lower than Ben's Suzuki Vitara thing he had.
Oh, bugger. The engine swapped it though.
Eh?
The engine swapped that.
No, we hadn't done it since, but when he first had it, but yeah. That's even lower than Ben's Vitara. No, chimney, it's a chimney. Well, Spike's taken your crown, Ben. Sorry. Right. What do you reckon, Uncle Spike?
I think we should pull off the rally restrictor and try again.
The rally restrictor, yeah.
That's
do you know?
Limiting horsepower.
It does make me wonder. Let's rip that off and just run it again. It's there, isn't it?
Yeah, why not?
Seconds now.
They
yes.
to limit the power is all, I expect, because it was probably a little bit fast.
Reckon?
Yeah.
Let's rip that off and just run it just for shits and giggles, shall we?
Yeah,
as long as we don't like totally grenade the motor, I don't suppose it matters. There's some like 102 race fuel over there if you're
Poor old girl.
death. Rip that off, Spike. Yeah. Right. So that's the induction periscope resolved and the rally restrictor removed.
Yep.
Just for shits and giggles, let's give it a go, shall we? Should have just unbolted it from there, to be fair.
Do you reckon it will lose 2 horsepower?
I reckon it might go down in torque. But hey,
Has it got any?
yeah, it did do some. It did 80 nearly.
Oh, not too bad.
Right, let's throw that out there, see if it makes a difference. Well, there you go, mate. That is that rally restrictor is literally worth like 2 horsepower.
It did a lot of runs and didn't do the usual French thing of surrendering.
Yeah, it did not surrender. It's got that little bump there, though. Yeah, like, that's obviously I don't even know what it's there for. It's obviously to speed the air up, I guess, and eliminate that bump because it's far smoother with that there. But I've never really come across one before, to be fair. Or we have, but I've never removed one on the dyno. Why would you? Yeah. Well, there you go. So
I was right at that point.
You were, yeah, 54 horse. You said this morning. So all in all, she hadn't done too bad. Not really. Bit of fun. Can't believe you woke me up.
It was worth it.
Yeah, I've enjoyed it. Right, so what's next for this old girl then, Spike? You're waiting for someone to get back to you with a
engine.
With an engine, some
4 studs,
and some four stud struts.
We can have some brakes that work.
Yeah, the 3-stud brakes are not great.
Yeah, you might as well put some smarty lids on there.
Yeah. So plan is then. I see that you've got yourself a spoiler.
I have.
Got an AXGT spoiler to throw on there. And you've been polishing, because it's like when my hands are all like slippery where you've been polishing stuff.
This is waxed.
Something wrong with you. Something wrong with you. Wired up wrong. Ain't no small thing. So yeah, watch out. Episode 2 will be coming in a few weeks, I guess. Depending on when.
Depending on money.
Depending on money. God, what? Richest bloke I know.
Oh, yeah.
So as soon as Uncle Spike's got another engine and some bigger brakes, hopefully that might double.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully. Right. Living a dream. Look forward to episode 2. Please like and subscribe. Say bye, Spike. Thank you, please. Bye-bye then. So it's the only car I've ever had where it's blown bits of exhaust out of the exhaust. Look at it all.
That's probably piston.
Yeah. Mate, what the hell have you done?
It's French.